how to apply for a Georgia work visa. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a work visa for Georgia. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, identify the right type of work visa for your situation. Georgia offers several types, including short term C category and long term D category work visas, depending on how long you'll be working. You'll need key documents like a valid passport, recent passport sized photos, a completed visa application form, and an employment contract or job offer from a Georgian employer. Check Georgia's consulate website for a full list to avoid missing anything. Next, head to the official website of the Georgian consulate or embassy in your country to start the application process. This site will guide you on where and how to apply. If the consulate offers an online application, fill out the required fields accurately. This typically includes personal information, passport details, and details about your job in Georgia. After completing the form, you'll need to pay the visa fee. Fees vary depending on the visa type and your country, so check the consulate website for exact amounts. While others may require you to apply in person or by mail, once approved, you'll receive your work visa, which you'll need to present upon entering Georgia. That's all for the video.